Hello, good evening to everybody. I am Ashmita, present here with the NCERT exemplar solution of chapter Components of Food, which I have taught earlier. So let's solve the exemplar together. For those who don't know what exemplar is, it is a book provided by NCERT only, and I would provide this PDF in my channel description. So let's start. First question. Which one of the following food item does not provide dietary fibers? We already have known that whole grains, whole pulses, fruits and vegetables all contain dietary fiber. Another name for dietary fiber is roughage. So the right answer would be option D, milk. Which of the following sources of protein is different from the others? Option A, pea, option B, gram, option C, soybean, and option D, cottage cheese or paneer. So in this question we can see from the above three options are of plant-based protein, and the last one, the cottage cheese, is animal-based protein. So the right answer would be option D. Question number 3. Which of the following nutrients is not present in milk? Option A, protein. Option B, vitamin C. Option D, calcium. Option D, vitamin D. Sorry, it's some misprint here. It must be C before calcium, but no worries. The option would be option B, as milk does not contain any kinds of vitamin C. It contains protein, calcium, vitamin D, but not vitamin C. Vitamin C is present in citrus fruit and green chili. So next, coming to the next question, question number 4. Read the food items given below. Wheat, rice, wheat, ghee, iodized salt, spinach. So which of the food items are energy giving food? So which of the food components are known as energy giving foods? Carbohydrates and fats. So we have to find out which of these four contain carbohydrate and fat. So we know wheat contain carbohydrate, ghee contain fat, and iodized salt contain mineral, and spinach contained dietary fiber and some amount of water in it. So we have to seek which answer have 1 or 2 in it. So the right answer would be option C, 1 and 2. Read the following statement about diseases. They are caused by germs. They are caused by germs. They are caused due to lack of nutrients in our diet. They can be passed on to from another person through contact. Option 4. They can be prevented by taking balanced diet. Which of the following statements best describe a deficiency disease? So, deficiency diseases are not caused by any germs. They are caused by malnutrition. So, option 1 is wrong. Option 1 is completely wrong. Option 2. They are caused by due to lack of nutrients in our diet. Yes, it is true. They can be passed on to another person through contact. No, it is obviously false. If you are malnutrition, what can be the source with contact? Option 4, they can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Yes, it is true. So let's see which option contains option 2 and 4. It is option C. So the right answer is option C. Question number 6. Given below are the steps to presence of protein in the food item. So read the steps. Take a small amount of quantity of food in a test tube and add 10 drops of water to it and shake it. Make a paste or powder of the food to be tested. Add 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the test tube and shake well. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution to it. So let's remember, first we have to what to do. We have to first powder the food and then take it into the test tube, and then first we have to add copper sulfate solution, and after that we have to add caustic soda. So the option B would be the right answer. So coming to the next part, I would do unscrambling the word. One more concern, actually I don't have a stylus right now with me, so I cannot write this answer right here because it's very difficult for me to write with my fingertips. So I will be dictating this. Please write it down. Sorry for the inconvenience. Question number 7. The first one would be C, PROTEIN. The first one would be protein, and the second one MINERALS, minerals. The third one would be VITAMIN, vitamin. The fourth one would be carbohydrate, and the fifth one nutrients, and the sixth one, it's very easy, it's fat. Which of the following item does not provide any nutrients? Milk, water, orange juice or tomato soup. Milk contain calcium, vitamin D, protein. Orange juice contain, it's a citrus fruit, contain vitamin C. Tomato soup, it contain obviously dietary fibers and other more vitamins. And water does not contain any nutrients, but it is very necessary for our body well-being. Coming to question number 9. So let's see. Egg yolk is rich in fat and egg albumin is rich in protein. Deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Eating too much of fat-rich foods may cause a condition called obesity. The component of food that does not provide any nutrients to our body yet is essential for our body is water. And the vitamin that gets easily destroyed by heating during cooking is vitamin C. Read the following items, and this table is actually not important, so we are shifting to question number 11. Tasty food is not always nutritious, and nutritious food may not be always tasty to eat. Comment with examples. This is a very true statement. We all are familiar with it from a very childhood. Tasty food is not always nutritious. For example, we take the example of burger, samosa, chow-mein, potato chips, pizza, and so on, oily curries, etc. They're very tasty to eat, but they're not nutritious. As we always have to consume a balanced diet, we should not consume this only in very extent. But this food contains refined flours, spices, and a lot of oils, which is not good for our health. On the other hand, nutritious food like boiled vegetables, sprouts, and etc. are very good for our health, but does not taste very well to our taste buds. These foods contain very important nutrients which make us healthy and make us strong. So we must eat nutritious food most of the time to keep our body healthy. Question number 12. While using iodine in the laboratory, some drops of iodine fell on Paheli's socks and some fell on her teacher's sari. The drops of the iodine on the sari turned blue-black while the color did not change on the socks. What can be the possible reason? আচ্ছা, আমরা ছোটোবেলায় বা দেখে না থাকি, কোনোদিন তো এটা শুনেছি যে শাড়িতে মাড় দেওয়া হয়। শাড়িতে মাড় দেওয়ার সময় অনেক সময় ভাতের ফ্যান ব্যবহার করা হয়। আর ভাত একটা প্ল্যান্ট বেসড স্টার্চ কন্টেনিং জিনিস, তো ভাতের ফ্যানে আমরা অনেক স্টার্চ পাবো। আর আমরা কি জানি আয়োডিন কিসের টেস্ট করতে ব্যবহার করা হয়? স্টার্চের টেস্ট করতে। তাহলে আমরা যদি এই কোশ্চেনটাকে ভালো করে দেখি, এখানে একটা ট্রিক আছে। It may happen that Paheli's teacher's sari is starched, but sock is never starched with anything. We don't ever try to, because it's tore up before that, no? The teacher's sari may have contained starch, as starch turns black with iodine. So the sari turned blue-black, but Paheli's socks do not contain any starch. That's why it did not show any color. Question number 13. Bojo and Paheli peeled some of the potatoes and cut them in small pieces. They washed them and boiled them in water. They threw away the excess water and fried them in oil, adding salt and spices. Although the potato dish tasted very good, its nutrient value was less. Suggest a method of cooking potatoes that will not lower the nutrients in them. Not important though, but telling the answer. Potatoes are nutritious vegetable, contain carbohydrates, vitamin, minerals, and dietary fiber. Consuming potato along with the skin provide extra dietary fiber and nutrients. So if we look for an alternative way to cook potato that will not lower the nutrition value, it could be wash the potatoes and cut them in thin slices, not cutting the peeling of the skin, and frying it in less amount of water and added salt and spices. So this could be the possible answers. Question number 14. Paheli avoids eating vegetable but likes to eat biscuit, noodles, and white bread. She frequently complains of stomach and constipation. What are the foods, the items included in the diet to get rid of the problem? Give reason to your answer. So she is deficient in roughage or dietary fiber. So she should get more water and eat green vegetables and foods rich in very much dietary fibers and roughage to get over from these problems. Question number 15. List all those components of food that provide nutrients. So these are carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamin, minerals and roughage. Roughage is also known as dietary fiber. Mention two components of food that do not provide any nutrients. It is roughage and water. Okay, actually roughage doesn't provide any nutrients, but it helps in our body development. Question number 16. Minerals and vitamins are needed in very small quantities in our body as compared to others, yet they are an important part of balanced diet. Explain the statement. Minerals and vitamins are some of the protective principle of food. So minerals and vitamins are needed in very small quantities but are essential for normal functioning of body, because their protective foods helps in protecting our body against diseases. They help in normal growth of our body. They help in maintaining good health, both physically and mentally. Question number 17. Water does not provide any nutrients, yet it is an important component of food. Explain. Water is a vital component of our food because it helps us body to absorb nutrients from food. Water helps in removing waste in the form of urine and sweat. Water transports nutrients throughout the body. Water helps to maintain the body temperature of our body. Question number 18. It's a case-based question, so it's important. Mojo has difficulty in seeing in dim light. The doctor tested its eyesight and prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. Eyesight, vitamin supplement. So what could be the answer? Vitamin A, we are guessing. So let's read the full question. Prescribed a particular vitamin supplement. He also advised him to include a few food items in his diet. Which deficiency disease he is suffering from? He is suffering from vitamin A deficiency, and the name of the disease is night blindness. Okay, because there is a mention of dim light. So which food component maybe he lacking in his diet? Night blindness happens due to lack of vitamin A. Then question number C. Suggest some food item that he should include in his diet. Any four. So name any four item that is rich in vitamin A. Green leafy vegetables, cod liver oil, papaya, mango, carrot, etc., etc. So here I am back with some questions for your practice. First we will solve some objective type question, and then I will give you 12 subjective type questions, solution of which I will provide you later. So first start with the objective type question. The first question is of match the column type. So let us read the column. Energy giving food. Matching in column B would be option 3, fats and carbohydrates. Bodybuilding food. The matching would be option 6, protein. Protective food. The matching will be vitamins and minerals. Taste for fat, oily patches and pepper seed. Option E, taste for starch. Taste for starch, iodine taste. Option 2, taste for protein, copper sulfate and caustic soda taste. So coming to the fill in the blanks type question. For proper dash and dash of our body need adequate food. For proper growth and maintenance, our body needs adequate food. Protein build dash material. Protein build body material. Question number 3. Non-living mechanism burn the fuel at high temperature, while living mechanism burn their food at low temperature. Starch is a dash sugar. Starch is a polymer sugar. Dash gives blue color with iodine. Starch gives blue color with iodine. Protein are made up of amino acids. Skin, hair, nails are protein. Coenzyme are nothing but proteins. Vitamin C causes dash when found deficient. Vitamin C causes scurvy when found deficient. Our body contains dash of water, 67% of water. Most of the reaction in our body occur in dash solution, aqueous solution or water solution. Question number 12. Balanced diet is one of the containing all nutrients. An average person should drink dash glasses of water daily, 8 glasses of water daily. Excess intake of dash over a large period of time may damage kidneys. Proteins. Question number 15. Oh, sorry, I misread it. Deficiency of dash causes rough skin and weak eyesight and thinness of body. Deficiency of which causes rough skin, weak eyesight and thinness of body? It would be protein. Then excess intake of dash over large period may cause kidney damage. Option is carbohydrate. Lack of dash leads to lethargy, inactivity and feeling of tiredness. It is fat. Intake of inadequate quantities of protein may dash the growth and development of the child, may slow down, may hinder. These are the synonyms. So now it is the time for true false type question. State whether the statements given below are true or false. Deficiency of vitamin A makes our bones weak. It is false because it makes our eyesight weak. Deficiency of iron causes paleness. Yes, it is true. It causes anemia, which causes paleness. Calcium is necessary for strong bone and tooth. Yes, it is true. Question number 4. Deficiency of vitamin B helps to increase our appetite. Sorry, it helps to decrease our appetite. So it is false. Question number 5. Deficiency of vitamin D causes swollen and bleeding gums. It is vitamin C, not vitamin D. So it is false. Question number 6. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy in our diet. Yes, it is true. Then coming to the next question. Expensive food is not always the best food. Yes, it is true. It may not be wholesome food. Protein is a staple food. False. Milk is a staple food. And protein is just a component of it. Hemoglobin is a carbohydrate. False. Hemoglobin contains iron in it. Cotton and peppers are carbohydrates. Yes, it is true. It is basically starch. Tomatoes contain vitamin C. Yes, it is true that it is a citrus kind of food. Eating lady's finger makes you good in mathematics. If it was true, then the sale of lady's finger would go high, but it is false, unfortunately also. So coming to question number 4, correct option questions, MCQ type. The food component needed by our body is called option B, nutrients. Carbohydrate can be tested using iodine solution, carbohydrate test, starch test. And question number 3, which of the following is an energy giving component? Option D, carbohydrates and fats. Vitamins and minerals are option A, protective food. Roughage helps in protecting our body from diseases, movement of bowel, providing energy and building our body, repair of various body parts. So option A, protecting the body from diseases. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C or vitamin D. Option C, vitamin C. Diseases caused due to deficiency of vitamins are known as deficiency diseases. Option C, deficiency diseases. All the deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking balanced diet. Which of the following food items contain carbohydrate? Rice, gram, cabbage and pulses. Option A, rice contain carbohydrate. Night blindness is deficiency of vitamin A. We just did it in the case study based question above. So time for the questions of subjective type. Let's read the questions and I will provide the solution later. Question number 1. Name the nutrients present in our food which give mainly energy to our body. Question number 2. Which carbohydrates are present in wheat and rice? Question number 3. Write the role of the food in our body. Question number 4. Explain the different food groups. Question number 5. What are the energy giving food? Give 2 examples of energy giving food. Question number 6. Write the name of any 2 sources of vitamin B and vitamin C. Question number 7. What is the function of roughage in our body? Question number 8. What is the function of fats in our body? Question number 9. Name 2 food items in which vitamin A is found. Question number 10. State 2 beneficial effects of cooking food. Question number 11. Write the main symptoms of vitamin C deficiency. Question number 12. Name the disease caused by the deficiency of proteins in the diet of children. So this 12 question, the solution will be provided later on, but you all must try this question. If you can solve it, then it's very good, you are okay with the chapter. But if you are not able to solving it, no need to worry, just read the NCERT twice and I think you would be able to solve it. But again, if you are left with some of your doubts or queries, you can contact me in the comment sections. I will try to provide answer to your queries, and I will say, if you like the video, please share it with your friends and support me, as I'm not much more elder than you. I'm your sister. So it was till then. तब तक के लिए okay, bye.